Affirmations work. They really do work. You're just not using them in the right way. Or maybe not necessarily using them in the right way. But you might have this very vague concept of affirmations and what actually is an affirmation. And don't worry, because we're gonna cover all of this right here and right now. So what is an affirmation? Affirmation is a statement. It is a statement of your desired outcome in the present moment. And this is crucial. In the present moment. Not in the past, not in the future, but in the present moment. When you say an affirmation in the past, let's say you say, I was rich. I was a rich person. Then when you say that, the universe is just like, okay, you were a rich person. Perhaps you're not anymore, okay? Or when you say, I will be a rich person, the universe is like, yeah, one day, perhaps you will. Good for you. So what we experience all the time, every single day, is the present moment. That's why I always say that the true power comes from the present moment, because it is 100% true. You're always experiencing the present moment. So start stating your affirmations in the present tense. It's happening here and now. Whenever you state your affirmations in the present tense, you basically command your subconscious mind. You tell your subconscious mind that it is the current reality. It is happening here and now. It is already a part of your reality. It is your identity. It is who you are. So pay attention to the tense of your affirmations, because it's actually matter. Affirmations really work. Affirmations are like spells. You can use them to command your reality. You can use them to speak your reality into existence. But you have to know the right way to use them. And stating them in the present tense is actually very crucial to achieve success by using your affirmations. And the other thing is, how often do you actually repeat your affirmations? Okay, because some people will wake up in the morning and for the first 10 minutes of the day, they would just repeat affirmations like, I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am well, I am amazing, I am abundant, blah, blah, blah. And then they just like go about their day and they just forget to work on their belief system. Repeating affirmations 10 minutes in the morning, it's definitely a beautiful practice, but it's not enough. It's just not enough. Like, okay, it's 10 minutes. What about the remaining 23 hours and 50 minutes of your day? Like, what are you doing during this time? What do you feed your mind? Do you feed your mind abundance? Do you feed your mind happiness? Do you feed your mind joy? Or do you feed your mind lack and limitations? You see, every word you say and every thought you think is an affirmation. It has the possibility to manifest as a tangible reality in your life. So pay attention to your habitual thinking and talking patterns, and also your feeling patterns, because all of these things actually impact your subconscious mind, and affirmations are really about installing a new program in your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind carries 95% of your reality. You're only conscious of 5% of your actions. Let me repeat. You're only conscious of about 5% of your actions. So you have to take care of your subconscious program. And affirmations are a great way to do this. Because repetition really affects the subconscious mind. And that's why you have to flood your subconscious mind with affirmations. Just repeat affirmations all the time. And it doesn't have to be out loud. You can just repeat them in your head. Like whenever you catch yourself thinking something about lack or limitation or any negative belief, immediately replace these thoughts with positive affirmations. And just a simple act has such a profound impact on your subconscious mind, because you become more conscious, because you become more aware, because you start to command your mind and you start to establish new belief system. Repetition always affects the subconscious mind. That's why you have to be very mindful of your thoughts and of your words and of your feelings, because these are the building blocks of your reality. So just be mindful of your affirmations and repeat them all the time. Just make repeating affirmations a part of your normal way of thinking. And in the beginning, it's gonna feel weird, it's gonna feel uncomfortable because you're gonna have to like catch yourself while thinking certain type of thoughts. But eventually, just it will become a habit. And when something becomes a habit, you do this automatically. And repetition has such a profound impact on your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind governs your reality. So when you establish a powerful program in your subconscious mind, your reality is going to reflect that. And affirmations are a great way to do this, and you make them powerful by repeating them over and over again, because it's the repetition that will create this new belief system, not repeating affirmation for 10 minutes in the morning. Being mindful of your habitual thinking patterns, okay? And changing your negative thoughts into positive affirmations. And of course, you don't have to be mindful of every single thought you have, because that's impossible. We have around 60 to 70,000 thoughts a day, so it's really impossible. But you can try to monitor as many thoughts as you can, and this alone will have such a profound impact on your reality. And the other way to make your affirmations more powerful is simply feeling your affirmations. Don't merely repeat your affirmations. Of course, repeating has an impact on your subconscious mind, but if you want a shortcut, you have to fill your affirmations with emotions. Because what is emotion? Emotion is energy in motion. So when you actually feel your affirmations, they manifest like 10,000 times faster. Like, this is such a wonderful energetic shortcut to manifest anything you want. Connect your affirmations with strong emotion, with positive, strong emotions. So when you say, I am abundant, don't merely say I am abundant. Feel this abundance. When you say, I am successful, don't merely repeat, I am successful. Feel like you are already a successful person, because it's going to create this energetic signature, and it's going to boost the power of your affirmations, because you're not only flooding your subconscious mind with these types of beliefs, you're actually like impacting your energy field. You're sending out that certain type of energy into the universe, and the universe has to mirror your energy. So it's not really that difficult to make your affirmations work. You just have to remember that they have to be stated in the present tense. You have to repeat them over and over again, and you have to connect them with emotions. And if you incorporate these techniques into your daily routine, you will see such an improvement in your reality, because you'll finally be using your affirmations to your advantage and not merely repeating like statements that don't have any power. So incorporate these techniques into your daily routine. So that's it about affirmations. I hope this helped. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for listening.